The Wasteland, published in the year 1922, dedicated to Ezra Pound, one of the closest friends of T.S. Eliot, Thomas Stearns Eliot, inaugurated a new notion of poetry, and that was now what is called the new notion of poetry. It is neither classic nor romantic. How can you expect a poetry to be romantic when there came a World War I? How can you be blind to the realistic conditions? And you would talk about daydreaming, imagination. You would talk about admiring the traces of the beloved, rosy cheeks of the beloved, and exquisite body of the beloved. There is no place for imagination and romanticism in poetry in modern age. Seeing the carnage, the bloodshed, the killing of innocent people, and seeing the apathy, the indifference, the selfishness, the dependence on machine, seeing the rise of the commerce and decline of the Christianity after the World War I and during the modern age, there is no place for such poetry to be written. Wasteland did what others did not do. Now what is the notion of poetry by T.S. Eliot? Make it new, make it difficult, make it ununderstandable for many, and have the profuse use of the allusions. Make the profuse use of the references from here and there and show your learning. Earlier it was easier. Classical poets followed classical couplet, rationality, wrote town poetry. Romantics wrote blank verse, in blank verse, talked about the nature, village life, rustic life, and now talk about anything. Make it new, make it difficult, make it ununderstandable. Even used simple words, but they should not be so much easy for a reader to understand. Hence, the complexity of this poem is the Wasteland, that it contains 5 sections. You never know, sometime T.S. Eliot is talking about Teresa's the blind prophet, who is the mouthpiece of the poet in the poem. Sometime you come to know about Shakespeare, some lines in the poem. Sometime you come to know about Dante's poem, Divina Commedia's reference in the poem, and sometimes the poem talks about Jerusalem, Jesus Christ. Sometimes the poem is talking about World War I, the consequences the World War I brought on a human race. You never know. And sometimes the poem talks about unhappy married life and tension of overwork, and you never know about it. Hence, the new notion of poetry was make it new, make it difficult, make it uneasy, make it not easy for the reader to understand it, and make it full of allusions, full of profuse references.